Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Laptop Studio. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Surface Laptop Studio can't even get through a meeting, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to battery wear or faults that develop over time. If left unresolved, it can lead to significant productivity loss and eventually, a completely unusable device. Addressing this problem promptly is essential to keep your device functional. For this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery specific to the Surface Laptop Studio. It's also advisable to have a soft cloth handy to keep your workspace clean. To start, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the casing, starting from the edge and working your way around. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips that hold the casing together. Once the casing is open, locate the battery, which is usually situated near the bottom of the device. You will see a few screws holding it in place. Use your precision screwdriver to remove these screws, making sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, ensuring not to pull too hard as it could damage surrounding components. Now, lift the old battery out of its compartment. When inserting the new battery, ensure it fits securely. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, applying gentle pressure until you hear a click. Replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened firmly, but be cautious not to over-tighten. Once everything is in place, carefully reattach the casing, ensuring all clips are secured. You can then power on your device to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly update your device software, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, and consider replacing the battery every few years as a precaution. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.